everyone, welcome back. I am Stella. Today we're going to walk through a real pie chart example step by step using the template we learned before. This will show you exactly how to plan and write a strong report in the exam using this template. First, it is paramount that we take a look at the task and do some analysis before moving on to writing the report. There are two pie charts. From the titles of these charts, we can conclude that one shows pet ownership by type, and the other shows the market share of pet services and products. Besides, the instructions tell us to do three things: summarize the main features, give possible reasons for the trends, predict how the market share might change in the future. So our report must cover all three of these points clearly. Now, let's move to the next step. Selecting the key information from the charts. Why the selection? As said before, the word count requirement determines that there is no need to cover every single trend in your writing. So just select some prominent figures. Now, let's analyze the charts and pick out the most important information to include. We don't have time to describe everything, so we must be selective. For the first chart on pet ownership, I will lead you to pick out three main points, which are definitely adequate to fit in the template. You can make some modifications like picking only 2 out of these 3 points to meet the word count requirements. For each major point, I will share with you a sample sentence. However, make sure to pause and make your own sentences with the help of the sentence patterns we learned in previous videos before checking out the sample sentences. We can start with the dominant shares, dogs and cats. Here's an example. Dogs and cats accounted for the largest proportion of all pets, at 34% and 32% respectively. In addition, we can write about the minimum figure to establish a comparison. The minimum amount of pet ownership was found in reptiles with a value of only 5%. Besides the largest and smallest shares, we can also describe the second or third largest figure, which in this case is the share of the fish. Remember, there is no right or wrong regarding your selection as long as it is worth describing. The share of fish owners was the third highest, standing at 10%. Now we are done with the first chart, and let's analyze the second chart using the same logic.